Hi students, today we will see how to compare the like fractions. Now you know that what is meant by like fractions. The fractions with equal denominator is known as like fractions. While comparing like fractions, we have to see the numerator of that fraction. In like fraction, the fraction with the greater numerator is the greater fraction. I will write here few examples. We'll see how to compare the fractions. Okay. So, I will write here example 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 4. You can see here the denominator of both the fractions is equal, that is 4. We have to compare the numerator. Then the numerator of these fractions are 3 and 5. Which number is greater here? 5. So here the fraction 5 upon 4 is greater than 3 upon 4. One more example I will take here. 9 upon 8 and 1 upon 8. Look here, which number is greater? 9 is greater than 1. So 9 upon 8 is greater than 1 upon 8. Now next example I will take 5 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. Okay. Here 5 is greater than 3. So the fraction 5 upon 7 is greater than 3 upon 7. Okay. This method you have to apply for like fractions. Why? Because in like fraction, denominator is equal. So you have to just compare the numerator. Okay. Now we'll see how to compare the fractions with equal numerator. Suppose the numerator of the number is same. Then keep in mind, I will write here few numbers. 7 upon 4, 7 upon 9 and 7 upon 6. Okay. You can see here the numerator of both the number. Sorry, 3 numbers I had taken here. So 3 numbers numerator is equal. While comparing these numbers, look here, I have to see that of two fractions with equal numerators, the fraction with the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. So here I will compare first of all 7 upon 4 and 7 upon 6. So here which denominator is smaller, 4 or 6? So 4 is smaller, so it is greater here. Look, while comparing the numerator, the greater denominator is the smaller fraction and smaller denominator is the greater fraction. Keep in mind. Now, suppose I will then, what is the relation between these three fractions? So I will write here, look here. First, which fraction will come then? Which fraction is greater? 7 upon 4 is greater than 7 upon 6. This also greater than 7 upon 9. Okay. Means, keep in mind again one time I will repeat. Of two fractions with equal numerator, the fraction with the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. Okay. Now one more example I will give here. You have to compare the fractions with equal numerator. So I will write here examples. 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 4. Which number is greater in that? Look here, 2 is equal numerator, then here which fraction is greater? The fraction whose denominator is smaller. So here 2 upon 3 is greater than 2 upon 4. One more example I will take. 5 upon 7 and 5 upon 3. Now which is greater? Okay, 5 upon 3. Understand this? Now we'll see how to compare the unlike fractions. Okay? While comparing the unlike fraction, we have to see that, look, you know that unlike fractions means the fraction with an equal denominator is known as which fractions? Unlike. So I will write here the fractions. 1 minute. Again I will make more place here by rubbing this downside section also. Okay. Now I will take the example. We have to compare the fractions 3 upon 5 and 7 upon 6. Okay. You can see here these fractions are unlike fractions because their denominator is not equal. Okay. So first of all I have to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. So I will convert it. 3 upon 5 multiplied by 6. 6 3s are 18, 30. Now next 7 upon 6 I have to convert. Here 7 5s are 35 upon 30. Now look, I converted the fraction 3 upon 5 into 18 upon 30 and 7 upon 6 into 35 upon 30. Now tell me which number is greater here? 35. Here denominator is equal. So we have to compare the numerator. So which fraction is greater here? 3 upon 5 or 7 upon 6? 7 upon 6 is greater than 3 upon 5. Understand? One more example I will tell you. For comparing the unlike fractions. Okay. While comparing the unlike fractions, first of all you have to convert these unlike fraction into like fractions and use the same method whatever you use to compare the like fractions. Okay. So I will write here example 5 upon 7 and 8 upon 9. Okay. So I have to compare these fractions. So first of all I have to convert the unlike fraction into like fractions. 5 9s are 45, 7 9s are 63. Okay. Then 8 upon 9, multiply this by 7. Okay. Then 8 7s are 56 and 9 7s are 63. Now we'll compare the fractions. Look here, 5 upon 7 we converted into 45 upon 63 and 8 upon 9 we converted into 56 upon 63. Now which is greater? Here 56 is greater than 45. So 5 upon 7 is less than 8 upon 9. Okay. Same way you have to solve the examples from practice set. Okay. Practice set 19. Few examples they have reduced. Which examples they have reduced, that I will tell to you. Look here, example number 3, then example number 6, example number 7, 8, 11 and 13. These examples reduced from your syllabus, so no need to write these examples. Remaining examples and the problem set you have to solve in your notebook. Be safe at your home. Thank you. Bye.